Hi there. In this video, we are going to learn about circles. Circles are one of the most important and fascinating shapes in the world. They can be found everywhere, from the natural world to man-made structures, from the shape of the sun and moon to the wheels on our cars, bicycles, and the sport balls like basketball and football. Circles are a vital part of our world. Now, let us study the circle in detail. A circle is a geometric shape that consists of a closed curve in which every point on the curve is equidistant from a central point, called the center. It is a fixed point usually denoted as capital letter O. The radius is a constant distance from the center to any point on the circle's boundary and commonly denoted by the letter R. The plural of radius is radii. If P and Q are the points on the circle, then the line segment OP and OQ will be the radii of the circle. All radii of a circle are equal. The length of the radius is used to determine many other properties of a circle, including its diameter, circumference, and area. Now, we are going to understand the various terms associated with the circle. First is the circumference. The boundary of a circle is known as its circumference and is denoted by a capital letter C. Circumference of a circle is calculated by the formula C is equal to 2 pi r, or C is equal to pi multiplied by diameter. Next is the interior and exterior of a circle. The interior of a circle is the region that lies inside the circle's circumference. The shaded region represents the interior of the circle. It is the set of all points whose distance from the center is less than the radius. Here, point P, M, and N lies inside the circle. It is clear that the center of the circle lies in its interior. On the other hand, the exterior of a circle is the region that lies outside the circle's circumference. The shaded region represents the exterior of the circle. It is the set of all points whose distance from the center is greater than the radius. Next is the diameter. Diameter passes through the center of the circle and divides it into two equal halves. In this figure, line segment XY is the diameter. We can write XY as the sum of XO and OY, XO and Y being collinear points. As XO and OY are the radii of circle, they are equal, and hence the diameter of a circle is simply twice the length of its radius. Also, the diameter is the longest chord in a circle. Now, what is a chord? A chord is a line segment that connects two points on the circumference of a circle. It lies entirely inside the circle and has its endpoints on the circle. In this figure, AB and MN are the chords of the circle. Next is the secant. It is a straight line that intersects a circle at two distinct points. Unlike chord, a secant does not have to lie entirely inside the circle. In this figure, secant CD intersects the circle at points P and Q. A secant can also pass through the center of the circle, in which case it will intersect the circle at exactly 2 points and will be equal in length to the diameter of the circle. Read the tangent and their properties. A tangent is a straight line that touches a circle at exactly one point, known as the point of tangency or point of contact. In this figure, it is point S. The tangent is always perpendicular to the radius of the circle at the point of tangency. The tangent cannot be drawn to a circle from a point inside it. It is important to note that only one tangent can be drawn to a circle at point on the circle. If we want to draw two tangents to a circle, then it is drawn from a point outside the circle where these two tangents will be equal in length. That's all for today. Hope you found this video informative. The other terms such as an arc, semicircle, sectors, etc. will be covered in the next video. So keep watching our channel for more such insights. Keep learning. Thank you for your time.